Good morning, folks. It's Stardate. It's April 3rd by now, and it's about 10:30. So we're back to Osage County, our reliable spot number one, and we've got a morel already. Yes, it is raining a little bit, and yeah, we need some sun, but better get them while we can. All right, we got our second mushroom of the day. We do have another walker. I've seen a red truck that was parked here too, but I haven't heard or seen anything else in the woods, so alright, let's see if we can find any others to join it. I don't see any others around squatting down here. Nope. Okay. Ooh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. I don't see any others around this area, but I will be taking my sweet time though. Oh, I see another cluster too. Okay. I'm going to set my bag down here. I know, this is a Russian roulette. Hang on, I saw another cluster. Where did they go? OMG. Okay. I know I saw, there it is. Okay. Ooh, those are pretty. Those are really white. Okay. Pinch, and that one. Yeah, that one. Sometimes they do come up like that. Okay. Now, I kind of just make sure I'm not going to overlook any other ones. Okay, there's 3 right there. Okay, let me go back to my bag because I made that mistake yesterday. Running after them, and I almost lost my bag. Almost, but I eventually found it. Okay. Okay. Grab you. There's that little one. See, I'm back here. I have to get by my bag and find the other one. There's... Oh, it's right there by the bag. Okay. Got a good one. Alright. Now, let's see if we got any other ones. Alright, found another little one. Our walker's pretty close too. Alright, we got this one little blondie. I don't see any others around it though. That's okay, it's good enough. Okay. Check my surroundings just to make sure we don't have any other randos. Yep, there's a little tiny one right there. Okay. Let me see any others. Yes, no, maybe. Okay, I think we got 1, 2, 3 right here. And yes, I hung up my bag. Note the mesh bag for ethical morel hunting, of course. Again, a lot of debate comes up around here. They say, a mesh bag similar to, like an onion bag or the laundry bag that you see featured there is best because supposedly they say when you harvest the morels and as you walk, the spores will scatter and thus help encourage, the regeneration and the return of the crop next year. But of course, people will argue online a lot, saying that once they break ground, they're going to release all the spores that they're going to release. So, again, I'm not a mushroom expert. I just do it because, you know, the logic is sound. Ugh. Okay, I think we had 16 small to medium ones, and this would put us up to 19. Ooh, I see a big one over there, too. Oh, my goodness. Hang on. Pausing. Okay. Now, let me also make sure. Yeah, look at that big boy. Look at him. Sticking out. You make 20. Okay. Scanning, seeing if I see any other morels, because that was quite a bit of them in a short distance. Oops, I'm going to tip over. Oh, I see a teeny tiny one. Stand by. There's 21. And I thought, oh, hold on. Oop. Got 22. See another one poking out. 23. Oh, hold on now. I'm trying to pinch it. Okay, got 23 of them so far. Okay. Makes a difference when you hang your bag up in the tree instead of sitting it up on the ground, too. But not to get cocky, because, you know, you can get disoriented. Oh! Looky here. What do we got there? 24. 24 of them. Let's see any others. Kind of great. Oh. What? 25. 26. No, that's not my bag. My bag's over there. They didn't fall out. 26. Oop. Oh my God. 27. Holy moly. I may have to go back to my bag just to put these up. I've got 27 of them right now. Not in my hand, but the total count is. Okay. I haven't heard our other walker. He was talking on the phone, but I don't know where he disappeared to. Okay. Oh. Alright. I guess let me reunite with my bag and deposit these and see. That was a little hot spot for sure. Make sure I'm not going to overlook any other ones. Okay. My goodness. Well, got another little one, but I don't see any other ones close by. Bummer. But I'll grab it. I know it's a little smaller one, but again, I'm just getting them before the critters do. Alright, well, the rain seemed to have moved off, thankfully. I have to check the radar and see if there's any other waves that are going to come in or how far away they are. All that good stuff. I'm just scanning and slowly working just to see if there's anything I might be overlooking here. And I don't know if we're the only ones in the woods or if we still have our other walker, so stay tuned. Alright, we found one. Oh my God, there's another one. And there's a third one. Alright, good deal. And I think the rain's starting to pick up. Shoot. Okay, well, let me go harvest these, see if we have any other ones. I need to check the radar. We'll go from there. Alright, thank goodness. Alright, we got the rains picking up, so as you can see, I'm retreating. I appreciate y'all sneaking off with me again, like always. Hooray, we are at 91 subscribers. I totally squirreled. So I do appreciate you joining. subscriber number 91. Much appreciative. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Best part, it's free. Always will be. Hit the bell icon so you're notified when I do post stuff, whether it's a walk in the woods or we're prowling the riverbanks of the ancient, amazing Arkansas River. So, in conclusion, I'm going to find my way out of these woods, get to my car, go home, and I'll count up and see how many morels we got today. I squirreled and lost where I was, so yeah. Alright guys, I appreciate it again. Until next walk time, etc. Y'all be good to each other, be good to yourselves, and take care of yourself first and foremost. You're important. This is Kat, and I'm fixing to sign off and all. Laters.